Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to delete Telegram account from your phone. Right, so it's really easy. For example, to delete any of the application, you can just click and hold and go and click on uninstall, and that app, once you tap on uninstall, this app will get deleted. But I will show you the best method from where you can just delete or uninstall any of your application as well as your Telegram. So I'm using an Android. I will just go to the Play Store. If you're using iOS, then just go to the App Store. Now once you're here, search for Telegram, right? And here we are. Now it will just load for a few seconds. So here we are. We will just open it up and you will get this option of uninstall. So if I just tap on it and if I just tap on uninstall, here I can uninstall this application. Now let me show you the another method, which is from the settings. Open your settings on your phone, go to the apps, and now you have to go to the apps management. App management is basically where all the application which is installed in your phone will be shown here. Now search for Telegram. Right, it's not available because we have already uninstalled that app. Right, for example, this is Telegram and I can just uninstall from here. So this is how you can delete Telegram account from your phone. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.